White room, clock on the wall won't move. Voices in blue gowns, speaking careful circles. You stare at the CM tile crack, tracing it like a fall line, thinking how thin this floor above the fall feels. You're my beacon in the dark when the monitors scream and the night leans hard. If the line gets cut, if I drift too far, leave your light on. Leave your light on. You're my beacon in the dark. Phone call pulled from a half-warm dream, fluorescent hallway, coffee and shaking hands. You talk about nothing in the waiting room, weather, traffic, the broken newsstand. Tiny brave jokes so your voice won't break.